Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see list of ground energy and higher energy terms with number of states and microstates for D1 to D9 electronic configurations. Let us consider the below tabular form. Electronic configurations, ground energy term, higher energy terms, total number of terms or states, total number of microstates for these electronic configurations respectively. For D1 and D9, same number of unpaired electrons 1, for D2 and D8 2, for D3 and D7 3, for D4 and D6 4, for D5 5 number of unpaired electrons. Ground energy term, total number of terms or states 1, 5, 7, 11, 12 respectively, and total number of microstates for these electronic configurations 10, 45, 120, 210, 252 respectively. Ground energy term is 2D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, F, F, D, S, 2D, 3F, 4F, 5D, 6S. Higher energy terms or states, for D1 and D9, no higher energy term or state, only one, that is ground energy term. Total number of microstates 10. This we have already seen in the previous classes itself. Here for each electronic configurations, higher energy terms are two types with the total number of spin multiplicity. For this electronic configuration, total spin multiplicity terms are 3 and 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 4 and 2. Total spin multiplicity here 3. Higher energy term also started with the total spin multiplicity 3. Here also 4 and 4. For here 5 total spin multiplicity ground energy term. Higher energy term with the total spin multiplicity 5, no. For 6s, here higher energy term with total spin multiplicity 6, no, do not exist. Next higher energy terms, for simplicity you can remember like this: 6 minus 2, 4. You get 4 total spin multiplicity terms are here, and 4 minus 2, you get 2 total spin multiplicity with 2 terms are also here. 2 minus 2, 0. Next term with 0 total spin multiplicity, that cannot be possible. For here 5 minus 2, 3 total spin multiplicity 3 higher energy terms are there. 3 minus 2, 1 total spin multiplicity with 1 higher energy terms are also here. Here 4 total spin multiplicity 4 higher energy term with 4 started. For 3, 3 minus 2, 1 higher energy terms with total spin multiplicity 1. Here 4 minus 2, 2 total spin multiplicity with 2 terms are also here. 2 minus 2, 0. Total spin multiplicity cannot be 0. The term do not exist. Let us try how to remember these terms in order according to the Hund's rules energy. It's better to remember from the reverse. For example, S, no P term, D, no F term, G, total spin multiplicity with 1, 3 terms are there, and then 3P term. Here you can see P, D, F, G, H. Total spin multiplicity with 2, 5 terms are there, and then 4p. And you can hear S, no P, D, F, G, no H term, I. With the total spin multiplicity 1, 5 terms are there. After that, total spin multiplicity 3, P, D, F, G, H. For here, last electronic configurations, S, P, D, F, G, H, I. Total spin multiplicity with 2. 7 terms are there. Total spin multiplicity with 4, P, D, F, G. 4 terms are there. Total number of terms or states 12. Total number of microstates 252. In this way, you can very easily remember the ground energy terms, higher energy terms or states with total number of terms or states with number of microstates for different electronic configurations D1 to D9. Thank you so much.